Hi everybody, you're watching this video if you have yet to start this project and you need to know what supplies that you need. The supplies that you need for this project is 2 sheets of white printer paper and a pencil. If you are a distance learner, these are the 2 things you need. If you have started this lesson in class, you have all the materials. This is for the students who are distance learners who have yet to start. You need to do a few things with these papers to begin with. Both of these papers need to turn into squares. I have one on top of the other. Do this now and pause video. Grab 2 sheets of paper and pause video. Okay. Once you have 2 pieces of paper, we need to turn this into a square. Watch what I do with my paper fold. I'm taking this corner and I'm going to bring it up and to the top. Corner, up, and to the top. Once I have it here, my hand will fold the paper. Fold the paper. I'll show you again. This corner goes up and to the top. Line it up nice and fold. Now we have to take off this here. We have to remove this so it turns into a square. What I like to do is fold this back. Go ahead and fold it back and give it a good crease. Once I open it, we can see that it's a square, right? You have to fold it back. Now, you can either tear this off or use scissors. If your family doesn't have scissors, I like to take my pincher finger, pinch 1, pinch 2, pinch 3, pinch 4. You can either pinch and then tear or scissors. Go ahead and make 2 pieces of paper into squares. Pause video and do that now. Make 2 squares. Okay. For right now, we need to do something with 1 piece of paper. Watch what I do. We are going to fold this into quarters. Fold it in half, like this. Fold yours in half now. Pause video and fold yours in half. Okay. It's going to go long ways up and down. Take the top of it and make the top touch the bottom. Top touches bottom. Fold. Push down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next step is to cut out 1 square. Cut out 1 square. If your family doesn't have scissors, you can also tear this by pinching 2. You can pinch, 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 and it should tear. To go to the next video, you need 1 big square and 1 little square.